In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a review article using Chatgpt-4 in just 5 minutes. Let's dive into the process to quickly craft a compelling and well-structured review with the help of cutting-edge AI technology. First things first, you need to open ChatGPT. This is where everything begins. It might sound basic, but ensuring you have the right platform at your fingertips is the essential first step. Simply navigate to OpenAI's website or wherever you prefer to access the GPT-4 interface. Make sure you're logged in and ready to start your session. Having this setup ensures that your workflow remains uninterrupted and smooth. Once you've got the platform ready, you need to create a new chat. Starting a fresh chat is crucial because it provides a clean slate. This ensures that there's no carryover from previous sessions that could confuse the output or introduce elements unrelated to your current task. Starting new means you can focus on the specific review article you want to create, keeping the conversation focused and on point. Next, it's time to decide what type of article you aim to write. Are you looking at writing a product review, a book evaluation, or maybe an in-depth analysis of a movie or a show? Clearly defining the type of review you need will guide the AI in structuring the article accordingly. This focus will impact how the information is presented and what angles are explored in your review. With the article type decided, you should now provide a topic or reference materials. This crucial step tells the AI what subject to focus on and what key points or details must be addressed. You could offer a simple topic headline or delve deeper by providing links to resources, giving ChatGPT a broader context to work with. The more precise you are, the more tailored and relevant your review article will be. Now comes the fun part. Typing in your prompt. This step involves instructing ChatGPT with what exactly you need. You could simply request an article on a given topic or guide the AI with specific points or questions to cover. Providing a detailed prompt ensures the output aligns with your expectations and provides a comprehensive overview of the subject matter. Finally, all that's left is to wait for ChatGPT to work its magic. The AI will take your input and, within moments, generate a complete review article for you. It's always a good idea to give the text a quick read-through to ensure the tone, style, and content fit what you were looking for. Remember, you can always refine the prompt if needed to get even closer to your ideal output. And that's how you make a review article using ChatGPT-4 in just 5 minutes. With these steps, you'll leverage the power of AI to create detailed and engaging articles ready for publication or personal use. Thanks for watching and happy writing.